And I thought I'd wrap up with another one of the leading themes in the life sciences space, and that's the patent cliff that's coming up. There are a number of very popular products that are rolling off patent. Kadcyla is one, and then of course Pembro is going up. Keytruda is coming off patent as well, and these companies need to replace their pipeline with new products. So how does that also inform what your thoughts are on 2026 and kind of the activities that'll take place?
A lot of people thought there'd be a fair amount of acquisition from Merck looking at trying to potentially fill that earnings gap, right? Because 40% of their earnings is Keytruda driven. And like Bristol did with Opdivo, Merck did the same, developing a single injection, long acting versions, kind of like the GLP-1, Novo story, take a pill instead of injection. And I think there's good examples in the industry of how that has been very successful in maintaining 80% of the franchise as opposed to the more traditional 50-60% generic erosion. A good example, I mentioned, is Neupogen. Neupogen is given frequently, typically was given in the hospital. Then they developed a subcutaneous injection, but still frequently. And then they came up with Neulasta, where you can give it once a month or once every 2 weeks from home. And that prevented the erosion, generic erosion of essentially that neutrophil growth factor that Amgen had, which was a big portion of their franchise back then. Same thing with erythropoietin, right? So EPO, and then subsequently their long-lasting pegylated version. So I think we're seeing that, or does that advance the field forward? No, I think that is a mechanism by which a pharma company is going to try to retain market share by just changing the form. Is it more patient friendly? Sure. Does it work differently? No. Is that advanced for the patients and their outcome? No. Will they be able to maintain a premium pricing on that over generic? Definitely, because they'll have exclusivity for that use, and it will be adopted by the treating community because, again, it's more friendly to them. And quite frankly, the payers like it better because you don't have the clinic visit for infusion and for physician charge and nursing administration charge, et cetera.
Jim, well, thank you for joining me today. I enjoyed speaking with you. And for our viewers, we had the CEO of TuHURA Biosciences, Dr. James Bianco, ticker symbol HURA.